Health and sex benefits of cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are usually considered a dry fruit. However, what you call cashew nuts is not actually cashew nuts or dry fruit. It is seeds grown of its fruit, where fruit of the cashew nuts is native to the coastal areas of northeastern Brazil. Historically, it was introduced by the Portuguese in the 16th century to India and some African countries. Cashew are very delicious in taste as well as a good source of iron, phosphorus, vitamins, selenium, manganese etc. However, they are sometimes called as natural vitamin pillâ and have been used to encourage wellness for an era. It is a multi-purpose kind of nuts that when considered in terms of tastes, they actually serves as an excellent flavor with eye-catchy creamy presentation of the dish. For an instance, one of the most popular dishes made by cashew nut is cashew butter, which you can have with breads, on toast or with anything you want to experience with some different stuff. Apart from its taste, some examples of the health benefits of cashew nuts are: it is healthier for your heart. It has been proved that with an intake of cashew your heart stays in more good condition as it contains lower fat content as compared to other nuts. Moreover, cashews are superbly cholesterol-free and their high antioxidant content. It replenishes your skin. As cashews are rich in the mineral copper, which is a vital component of many enzymes. It also contains tyrosine-named protein, which in turn converts tyrosine to melanin. It improves your bone health. Cashews are extremely rich in magnesium. Calcium is necessary for strong bones, but magnesium so is magnesium. Biologically, the magnesium content is present in your body is in your bones, while some of it helps provide bones their physical structure and the remainder is located on the surface of the bone. Copper found in cashews is vital for the function of enzymes involved in combining collagen and elastin, providing substance and flexibility in bones and joints. It improves your muscles and nervous system. Cashews are enriched with magnesium, which is very essential for the healthy growth of tissues, muscles and other vital organs of the body. It helps in controlling the required blood pressure, preserves the nervous system and also boosts up the immunity of the body to fight any hazardous infection which can cause harm. It is essential for the nervous system. Cashew is beneficial for the nerves too by preventing calcium from stepping up into nerve cells and activating them. Also, magnesium keeps your nerves relaxed and thereby our blood vessels. If in case the magnesium content becomes less in your body as a result, too much entrance of calcium would be there, which leads to contraction in body. Furthermore, inadequate magnesium leads to higher blood pressure, muscle tension, migraine headaches, soreness and fatigue. Not surprisingly, studies have demonstrated that magnesium helps diminish the frequency of migraine attacks, lowers blood pressure and helps prevent heart attacks. It promotes weight loss. It is seen that people who eat cashew twice a week are much less likely to gain weight than those who rarely eat nuts. Cashew nuts are indeed relatively high in fat, but it is considered good fat that is not harmful for the body. They are dense in energy and high in dietary fiber, making them a very dear snack for managing weight gain. It treats oral infections. Cashew nut oil is very favorable to cure numerous infections related to mouth and dental. It is constituted of phosphorus, which helps in providing strength to the teeth and further killing the germs that causes dental cavities. It is suitable for diabetics. This beneficial essential oil comprises of low amount of sugar and it is completely cholesterol-free, which makes it safe for people suffering from diabetes. It is a known fact that eating specific natural foods can get the mojo going. People nowadays often resort to chemicals which assure the prescribed effects, albeit with a possibility of the occurrence of side effects. Succulent fruits and exotic vegetables are known to spice up the sex life. The foods mentioned below have certain circulatory, muscle-strengthening effects that pave the way for a good sexual appetite and the energy to fuel sexual activity. Here are the few natural foods that go a long way in enhancing sexual activity and boosting sex power. Cashew nuts. Green vegetables. Eggs. Red wine, which contains cashew nuts. Dark chocolate contain cashew nut. Watermelon. In order to go nuts while sex, one should increase the ingestion of nuts. Nuts are high in the amino acid arginine, which is vital to the synthesis of nitric oxide, a compound that is involved in generating erections. The oil contained in nuts also pushes down the cholesterol level, maintaining overall good health. According to studies, men who consume 3,000 milligrams of arginine-rich foods have a better sexual performance than those who don't. Peanuts, cashews, walnuts are great sources of food required to have a good sexual life.